Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2007 Mazda 3, stock number 7029. It's ran from the 7th 2006 to the 4th 2009. Here's an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front headlight, right front door guard, right front hustler switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,